nung napanood kita, grabe, goosebumps talaga. Hi mga Zoobs! Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. It's hapon na. Katatapos lang ng aming lunch. Pero alam niyo, kanina pa kaming umaga. Medyo late lang ako nakapag-vlog for today. Nakapag-workout na ako. Tapos ito, katatapos lang lunch namin dito sa Quezon City with Wawa, yung family sa side ni King. Tapos na. And we are happy kasi umabot kami dahil may birthday pala yung tito niya. So, ang daming bata, ang daming pagkain. And we didn't get to vlog it kasi di ko sure baka ayaw nila. And ang dami kasi ding mga tao. Anyway, today is Sunday. I think this is the last stretch of Karil's play. Yung hindi namin napanood ni Andy last week because Mimi is sick. She was sick. So, ngayon okay na siya. And yun nga lang, the problem is wala kami mapag-iwan ni Andy sa kanya. So, ako lang yung pupunta. Plus, nandun si Derek Mark. Siya yung kasama ko kasi hindi rin siya nakapanood before or last week dahil siya ay nasa Japan. So, buti na lang may kasama ako. So, ito na nga guys. Punta na kami doon. Papunta na kami doon. Ihatid nila ako. And at the same time, si Andy, imimit niya. Of course! Always sama. Narinig niyo naman. Can I come? Imimit nila sila. Sige, si Andy na lang magsabi sa inyo later. Basta, meron silang gagawin while waiting for me. Kaya naman, productive ang ating Sunday. So, 2 hours yung play. I'm very excited na mapanood ng aking sista. First time ko siyang panonood. Second time na pala. Dati nanood kami sa kanya. Iba daw yung theme ngayon. So, excited na ako. Today's. Hayaan, nababa na ako dito ni Andy. Papasok na ako sa play. Hindi naman ako late. Medyo maagal pa ng 10 minutes. Pero, kailangan ko nang pumasok dahil kailangan mag-settle down muna. So, nandito tayo ngayon guys sa BGC. Ayan, sa Maybank Performing Arts. And eto siya. Here, ito yung papanoorin natin. Si Karil. Hello, good afternoon. I'll just get the ticket. Nandyan yung ticket ko. I'm gonna watch today.
So hi. Dahil lang hindi ako sanay na nandito ka sa content.
Grabe ka naman.
Hindi ako sanay na sa Asian.
Anong seat mo, Dad?
Doon kami si Studio.
Malayo ako. Okay lang kasi ito na lang yung natira eh.
Hindi, meron pa.
No, I have, kasama ko sa Derek Mark. Nandun na siya sa loob.
Wait. Alas. Hi.
Vloggerista ko, Dad.
Okay. We are off to Adventure Zone. Let's go.
I go anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? this through. With you by my side, with you by my side. Though we're
Ayan, break time pa guys. So 15 minutes yung antay namin. Tapos balik ulit sa loob.
The world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over. Just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you.
Thank you, Angie and Angie. Thank you so much to everyone who's part of this day. This is our third week, and we are just so happy to see all of you. A theater filled with people. Who would have believed it? All the way from Hong Kong, head of Sony Music, my Irma, Rosalyn Reyes, and her family. Thank you. There are some special people in the audience. Can I just do a quick shout out? What's up, my love people? Good to have you here this year. And of course, Judy. Hi, Eva Angie. It's my cousin Angie. Sorry, having a shout out. But she's one of the first women in the world, Diana Pinay, to traverse Mount Everest in the whole world. And of course, my classmates, my prom tech classmates. They're here. Thank you so much. Buhay na Theater because of you guys. And of course, thank you, Tim Yap. Kuya from the GA Sparkle Welcome to me. And of course, Javi. Your wonderful husband, everyone. Yeah, so please do help us spread the word because last week will be our closing weekend. And for the other cast, which of course are Sue Ramirez and Red Atadero, you can see them on the other days. We'll be posting all the schedules at the Sandbox Co.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, umuulan at ako ay makikisakay kay Direk. First time ako ipagdadrive, Direk.
I know.
Napakaganda po ng kanyang kotse. Ayan. 2-seater lang, buti wala kang driver. 4 naman.
2-door.
2-door, tapos 4 naman at least. Wala siyang driver kasi Sunday ngayon. Ganda. Love it. Papunta na kami ng Shangri-La dahil doon kami mag-early dinner. Andun din yung mga bata para habang naglalaro sila sa Adventure Zone. Pwede kami ni Andy chumika. So on the way na kami guys. See ya, Ben. Sista, I'm so proud of you. Nung napanood kita, grabe, goosebumps talaga dahil sobrang bilib na bilib ako sa play na ginawa mo. Very light lang siya, guys. And may enjoy nyo siya. Talagang aabangan nyo yung mga susunod na eksena. Kaya iniimbitahan ko kayo na panoorin ninyo kasi last week na lang nila. Di bale, meron pa silang 2 weekends. Kaya kung gusto ninyong i-check yan, check yan sa page ni Karil. Kaya naman, thank you sa ating mga sponsors. And thank you sa lahat ng mga nanood ng vlog for today. Ako ay matutulog na mga zoobs and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Arte ko. Sige na, matutulog na ako. Bye-bye.